Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find sent messages settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here and now click messages settings, click on it. Here you will find here sent messages, and here as you see you can manage it as you want. And that's it. That's how to find sent messages settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.